could make this on a table off the sanding guides we have buried inside here relatively easily with the paper templates that we used. However, when you put it on top of the car has an organic shape, which it's concave in two directions, like this on the roof line and on this on the top of the roof line, going towards and back from the front and back of the windshield. So when you mount this, so if you don't do it like we did here, I don't know how to explain it. If you just make it on a table flat, when you go to mount this piece on your car with your flange and you try to bolt it down, it's going to be like taking a piece of Tupperware and a square piece of Tupperware top and putting it onto a round surface and forcing it down there, and it's going to buckle in these areas because it's not formed to fit your roof. So the reason why we did it this way is because now this is molded to the top of the roof. When you set this piece down on the roof with the flange and go to bolt it down, it's going to sit perfectly right on the roof, and there'll be no air gaps, there'll be no forcing it to fit. It fits absolutely perfectly as it's formed to the roof line, because the roof line's an organic shape, it's not flat. So this is probably the most important part, because making this on a table is actually a pretty easy deal. With foam and with the sanding guides, we can knock this out in probably one day. But without having this curved areas on these edges, form-fitting the roof, it will never. It's going to be a waste of time. Because you're going to go to mount this on the roof of the car, and it's not going to fit. It's going to buckle when you try to attach it down. These areas here are going to be forced down, and it's going to buckle in here. And Jeff Goldblum would be pretty pissed off about that, probably. So yeah.
Cool.
One step closer. Gotta fill some holes now with Bondo. A lot of flex and fill primer.